Dahil Father's Day, ito kinuha ko sa aming backyard. Fresh rosemary, tanglad, tsaka yung lemon leaves. Yan, panglaw ko sa aking lechon. Ako ay gagawa ng lechon ngayon, belly, na may buto. Okay. Happy Father's Day. Hiniwa-hiwa ko na yan. Yung tanglad, rosemary, lemon leaves. Tapos itong ating lulutuin. Ito ang ating belly. May buto. Dalawang may buto. At walang buto. Dry up lang natin yan. Tinusok-tusok ko na rin yan. Yan. Punas-punas para ma-dry up. Yan. Recipe aking templada. Bilis ko ang paglilit ko na. Diba? Ang mabango. Tapos yung tanggalin na natin yan. Para pumasok yung lasa. See you later. Pansit naman tayo. Halo-halo natin. Walang overcook ngayon, okay? Okay na yan. Ito?
Lupak.
Puting? Lupak? Dapat may asuka. Lupak. Sarap. Kamote yan, di ba?
Kasaba.
Ang bago. Hipon. Okay. Luto na yan. Ayan. Bakit? Para hindi mapanis agad. Ayos. That's it. Yan o. Tapos na. Okay. Nakakuha ko ng spot. Ayos. Woohoo! Dito na kami. Yun, may naglalaro doon. Yeah. Bakit? What? Why? Why? Huh? Ow. Say hi. Wala service.
I know. It's okay.
I'm gonna get an extra.
See? Lechon!
I have another one, but
How's the pansit?
I don't know if you want to do it.
Okay yung pansit? Si Aubrey ba yun? Yeah, if you want to come.
You're just inviting my friends?
Yeah. It's a lot of food.
I feel bad.
Why?
They didn't bring food.
No. Ask them to come here.
No, let me ask him if he's coming. don't know, is this better?
My black people is all off the south.
So hot.
Hey, that was good. Was it thermal? So 2-0. 2-0. Shit, so 3-0. What happened? You stopped.
Sleeping time. Sleeping time.
Dad, you want to play?
Huh?
You guys go to the
No, here, go. No, go like this, because it's gonna get sticky. Your hand.
That one. It's not stable, Jeff. Do you have anything? Like,
Mine?
no, just come up.
Something to tie this down? Yeah, in between.
That's fine.
Sean, you guys want to eat?
Yeah. Alright, okay. Get the whole thing. The messenger.
I don't know.
Let me see.
I see the.
Eh. It's nga. Dala ka ng pansit. Ace.
Take the pancit home.
Saan ka punta?
Gonna get bad.
Ah, bye.
Oh my god, yeah. I got grounded.
Go home. You have no girlfriend.
I'm gonna take some tent.
Yeah.
Why?
Because I don't have my own space in my house.
Oh, is that why you go?
Yeah.
Space?
Yeah. So Jeff, come on, remodel the garage. So I can have
No.
What?
Stay with me.
You stay with your dad forever.
No, he's crazy.
Oh, you guys are redoing your garage?
No, but Moy cleaned it.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah, it's
Space
clean.
now, yeah.
Layers.
Oh, I thought you were done.
He's
Oh, you
going
Oh,
to.
no, I just need my
Yep,
arm.
we're taking off too. All right, man.
Happy
Okay.
Father's Day.
Thank you.
You
Take
got
care.
all your stuff already?
Yeah.
I know.
Your cooler? Your,
Really?
yeah, but
Thank you for being our dad. Thank you, Dad, for being the dad.
he said I'm
For
like their
today's.
they said I'm like their second dad.
There you go.
Crazy.
Spacey.
Yeah. Good. Yeah, from there you go. Push your bar in.
All the way?
Yeah.
Pero may mga ano na sila. Like a lot of fun. Pachi is like wants to do that like right away. I was
I like it when it goes up.
Oh!
kaya nasabi ni ano.
Angel. Huh? Angel. Oh no, accident. Sorry. I don't know why I had you on my
Still crispy.
on my phone first. So when I hit it, then it dialed you. Oh, I know. Maybe I'm thinking of my Angel. We're still here at the park.
I told her like okay, I told you. But
Yeah, your mom and dad.
so that's why she said like okay.
Bye.
Anak, let's go to SLA. I was like, what is that? Lagi ako ng phone ko.
That's right.
No.
Good.
Hindi yung sa labas.
I'm gonna go with Jeff. Yan, ano tayo? Parking. Tapos na ang Father's Day. Wow! Wow! Hulog. Nahulog. Akin, dalawang okle. Hirap na. Dami ko na walang okle. Okle. Na 100 bigay ni Ace. Halo.
Halo. Ang say that. Anything else? That's all. Nadi bayad. Roy. Sabi ni ano.
1067.
Sabi
Yan, lukot-lukot ko pa. Oh.
binigyan ni Ace ng 100 si Roy. Eh, sabi ko, Daddy, pang Father's Day. Sabi ko,
Isa lang. Bush.